Alex can say hello. It will actually take a while, but he'll say it. Alex, say hello. Good job. Again, say hello. Yay, good job. Again, say hello. Yay! Very good, baby. Again, say hello. Don't whisper. Why don't you say it out loud? Say hello. No. Again, say hello. Why are you saying hello? Say it loud. Once more. Once more. Say hello. Okay, that's a good start. That's okay. You were saying it a little louder. Can you say it again? Alex, hello. You're imitating my mouth, but you don't really show your voice. Say hello. Why are you whispering?